welcome back to my channel. This is Li. Today I'm gonna be making the Margarita cookies. You may be wondering why these cookies have such a cute name. I asked Google. Actually, the cookie's name is Italian hard-boiled egg yolk cookies. Well, there is a beautiful love story behind it. Once upon a time, there was a pastry chef who was making these cookies, and he silenced cited his lover's name by his heart, Miss Margarita, who lives in Stresa, Italy. So now these cookies are called Margarita cookies. Such a beautiful love story. And these cookies are beautiful too, and also very easy to make. We only need 6 ingredients: the cornstarch, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, confectioner sugar, salt, and hard-boiled egg yolk. As usual, I will put all these ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started to make the beautiful Margarita cookies. First, we will need boiled egg yolks, which I have already cooked in advance. In the large mixing bowl, place these 7½ tablespoons of unsalted butter, which is softened, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of confectioner sugar, and use electric whisk to beat the butter and combine everything together. Now look at this butter. The color turns a little bit white and it's a little bit lighter than what the original butter's color, and the volume is increasing a bit. The butter is ready, and we're gonna sift these 2 boiled egg yolks into the butter. It's a little bit harder to sift these egg yolks than sift the flours, so you may want to press more. Look at this. The sift egg yolks. Continue to whisk them together. Now they are well combined. Now we are gonna sift these 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cups of cornstarch, and use spatula to combine them together. Now our dough almost forms. It's very hard for me to use spatula to continue to beat to form the dough, so I'm gonna transfer it to a more flat mixing bowl, and I will knead the dough by hand. Now our dough forms. We want it to be dry and not moist, so when you press it, see here, there is the crack, and it's dry and soft but not moist at all. Now our dough is ready. I'm gonna wrap it in the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for half an hour. And then we will make small pieces from this dough. Okay, see you in 30. I took the dough out of the fridge and put it in a container. Take a small portion and then form it to a ball. I like smaller size of Margarita cookies, so this one is like a nickel size. Put it here, and another one. Okay, then we're gonna press our thumb to the small pieces of the dough. It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying making these Margarita cookies, and they are ready to be baked off at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. It smells so good. The whole room is full of the cookie smell. Look at the color and the cracks. They're so perfect. Let them cool down and we will have a bite. I cannot wait. Wow, It smells so great. It's so crumble, instantly melt in your mouth. It tastes so delicious. That's so great, so delicious, so perfect. I highly recommend you to try this recipe. It's perfect. And this recipe makes 25 cookies like this big. So this cookie is like a bigger quarter corn size, like this big, 25. I really hope you'll give this recipe a try, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and also please comment down below on your try and on your cookies, Margarita cookies. And please subscribe me for more. Happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.